Hi everyone, I'm Kelly Sackett from Lee J. Sackett Incorporated. We are here at the Minnesota State Fair with a beautiful display of tractors. Today's spotlight tractor is this 1930 Allis Chalmers 2540E. Alright, so to start this, we're going to first turn on the gas. As always, we also have to make sure that the tractor is out of gear. Alright, so now that the gas is on, we're going to choke it. Just this. And normally this starts in 3 tries, so we're going to see if it works. Now we unchoke it for the last 2. Howard Paschke was born and raised in Blue Earth, Minnesota. After serving in the Korean War, he returned to the family farm. His father, Clarence, had an Allis Chalmers dealership in Blue Earth. Howard has always had a love for Allis tractors and has quite an extensive collection. This tractor is one of his most rare pieces. Nearly every 2540 tractor was painted orange from the factory. This tractor, number 24318, was the 132nd one ever built. Production began in 1930 with number 24186. Also in 1930, Allis Chalmers made the switch from green to Persian orange paint. During the restoration of this tractor, Lee Sackett and his restoration crew searched for traces of orange paint all over the tractor. Even as they disassembled the tractor down to a bare chassis, all they found was green paint. To help validate the originality of this green tractor, a patch of original paint was masked off on the engine and preserved as original. Restoration was completed just before the 2022 Orange Spectacular in Hutchinson, Minnesota, where Howard and his grandson, Josh Manske, got to see the finished product for the first time.